Hey, what if I told you that you could create a professional blog website today without buying hosting, without hiring a designer, and without spending a single dollar? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. Here's the reality. Most people who want to start a blog get stuck before they even publish their first post. Hosting fees, WordPress setups, endless plugins, it all feels overwhelming and expensive. And for beginners, that's often the point where the dream of blogging dies. But what if you could skip all of that and launch your blog completely free? That's exactly where System.io comes in. It's not just for sales funnels, it's also a powerful blogging platform. On their forever free plan, you can create your blog website, publish unlimited posts, and even connect it to email marketing and automation, all without touching your credit card. Here's the secret. With System.io, you don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need to worry about coding, plugins, or constant updates. You simply drag, drop, write your content, and hit publish. Your blog is live in minutes. Imagine this. You want to share your expertise in travel, fitness, business, or personal growth. Instead of paying for a complicated setup, you create a free blog on System.io, start publishing, and even capture email subscribers directly from your posts. And when you're ready, you can monetize, whether that's through affiliate links, products, or services. The best part? Your blog isn't just a standalone site. With System.io, it's part of a bigger ecosystem. You can build sales funnels, send unlimited emails, and even sell digital courses, all from the exact same dashboard. That means your blog can grow into a full online business, not just a place for content. Curious how it works? I've linked a step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly how to create a blog website in System.io. You'll find it right here in the info card or down in the description. So here's the choice. Keep putting off your blog because of expensive tools and confusing tech, or launch your blog for free today. Click the link, watch the tutorial, and see how simple it really is to start blogging with System.io. Your ideas deserve to be shared, and now nothing's holding you back.